Right, so today's session went really well. We went a little over time. I am going to move at quite a slow pace to make sure that everyone's comfortable with the learning, and I'll try to keep them under 40 minutes in the future. I just wanted to go over the plugin again because it's quite a cool little plugin. It'd be great if you can mess around with it and combine it with your array in creating a sentence or a quote or something like that. I made a big mistake today, and this is very normal in coding. Everybody makes mistakes. It's very kind of common within the coding world where people just forget to do things, human error, and I forgot to put the CSS files in. So I was all ready to go today, and then when I couldn't change the style of the animation, I thought, what on earth is going on? Well, those two things were missing. So I've got them plugged in now, and all of a sudden, I've updated this code a little bit. I've put a document ready around it, and here's the plugin code. So this is the jQuery code from the plugin. I'll put this code on Slack and also the links to the plugin so you can mess around with it. It's really cool. All of a sudden, if I save this now, we can control it a lot more. So now we have some cool effects that we can kind of create a custom bit of text with. You could use this on any website in the world once you know how to do this. Textillate's kind of interesting for that because I think it's quite interesting to mess around with text because websites have so much of it. Now if I go to the Textillate page, we can kind of see the different kind of effects you can use. I could use flip. So here's flip, just F-L-I-P. And if I go back to the plugin, I will change the effect here and the string, which we know a little bit about now using quotations. It is a string. I'm going to change that string value to flip. I'm going to save that and I'm going to jump back and we're just going to have a look and give this a reload. Let's have a look and see if this does some flipping. There we go. So all of a sudden we've got a little bit more control of the plugin, which is kind of cool. I'll just do another one. There's some really nice effects on here. What else have we got here? I think we got rotate in. I'll give that one a go. That's quite cool. Just as the last one to kind of have a go. I hope you mess around with your template and give this a go. I'll make sure this is uploaded for people to kind of reference if they want to try changing the text up a bit. That one's a bit boring. Maybe I actually got that one wrong. It might be misspelt. Yeah, so it's gone to a plain animation. Just put the E back in and give that a reload. You can see this is nice, really cool. So with jQuery, you could have this happen on a click. You could set a timer so it happens after a few seconds. It's a nice effect. You can even control the delay scale in the delay. So if I change the delay value, I think to 150, it will slow down considerably. So let's give that a go. We'll see if that makes any difference. Yeah, I think that's a bit slower for sure. You can see that everything's going in a lot slower now. So I'm going to throw that code on Slack for you guys. And I've got the array snippet there as well, referencing just as a quick review. This is an array. We can tell with the square brackets. The array has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, but the index would be 0 for the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, weekdays 4 is going to console log 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 Friday. If I would change weekdays 4 to another number like 0, our HTML should change now to say Monday. So let's just give it a reload and see if that actually works. Monday comes on in. I'm going to put this template online. I hope you get a chance to use it. It'd be interesting to see what people can do, the kind of quotes or the things you put in text, the animations from, just to confirm, it's called Textillate if you're looking for it, Textillate.js. Have a play, put a bit of style through, maybe change the font. I really think that all developers, particularly in this course, should be trying to apply style, even though we're going to have to write a lot of code and algorithms. Keep in mind that it is visual as well. Give it a good go. And if you need any help with arrays, which is our basic lesson for the day, just let me know. And I'll catch you guys next week. It was great work this week. Keep it up, keep studying, and I'll see you soon.